Welcome to our country chapter comparison tutorial. Click on Search. Click on Country Tax Guides in the menu below. In the side menu, select a collection title, such as Country Analyses. Type or select a jurisdiction, like Costa Rica. Open the chapter you would like to compare. Now activate the Compare function. Select or type a jurisdiction, such as Kenya. Now go to Explore. Use the search bar to navigate the document. For example, Permanent Establishment. This will create a side-by-side view. You are now ready to start your comparison. Thank you for completing our country chapter comparison tutorial.